Hey everyone, it's James here, and welcome back to another episode of James Cooks. And today we're going to be making ramen. So, let's get into it. So, first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna need a pot. This pot's pretty small, it doesn't need to be super big, it just needs to be able to hold one ramen noodle packet. For size comparison, smallest burner on your stove should fit. Okay, next thing you're gonna need is a timer. I just have a phone, but you can use a timer on your stove or your microwave. And then a ramen noodle packet. This can be any flavor you want. I just chose beef because we have a lot of them. Okay, so first thing you're gonna need is to fill up this thing of water. So it says to put 2 cups in. I don't use 2 cups. I use like 3, but I have like these handle marks. Those kind of tell me where I should fill the water up to. So just you kind of just wait. Alright, and about right there. So, that. Okay. So I'll take this over to the stove. Let's set it down right there. And now locate the correct burner. You'll notice that yours might have like 4, 6, or 5, whatever. Locate the smallest one. Locate the one you just sat your pot on. So mine's the lower left corner. So find lower left. Found it. Turn it on high. You should see that it should start to glow red underneath. Okay, that's a good sign. That means it's working. So that's it for step 1. And I will come back to you guys when the water is boiling, and I will continue on to the next step. All right, so water equals boiling, and I also got out a bowl. It can be a fairly small bowl, and a hot pad because we have an expensive table, I guess. So anyways, so your water's boiling. Okay. Oh, don't want to down the microphone. So water's boiling. First thing you're gonna do is open it. Okay, I probably should have done this, but oh well. So open up your ramen noodle packet. Make sure you open. Yeah. So take your ramen noodle packet and just pop it in there. Okay. Next thing you're gonna do is go to your phone. I guess, I don't know. And then go to your stopwatch and just press start. And boom, there you go. The next step's already over with. Make sure you get your beef or whatever flavor packet you have out of there, so you don't accidentally throw it away. And those are what I call extra bits. So you take them with your hand and you, doing this right-handed there. Good. But anyways, I will catch up with you guys after, I guess, the stopwatch has reached 3 minutes. I mentioned I asked you to go up to 3 minutes. Make sure your ramen goes up to 3 minutes or else it'll be too rough. So, yeah, catch up with you guys in the next step. Alright, so it's currently at 3 minutes. Alright, so after it hit 3 minutes, just go ahead and slide it off the burner. And locate your lower left burner. This one. Alright, go ahead and turn it off so it's not red anymore. Alright, cool. So now you have your ramen noodles. They kind of look gross though, so that's where the flavor packet comes in. Probably should have opened this too. So, let me open this real quick. Alright, so once you've got your flavor packet open, just go ahead and dump it in. People, like, on the instruction it says only have so much. You know, if you have heart issues, don't eat the whole packet. I call just crap on that. You know, just have the whole thing because you're gonna be fine. Oh, look at that. See, it starts to kind of get the golden brown color. Yeah, good. Tell you what. So there you go. Go ahead and take this over to your bowl and carefully dump it in. Make sure you don't spill it everywhere. And yeah, oh, look at that. Get a close-up on that. Good. Oh, yes. Yes, that was awesome. All right. So yeah, there you have it, folks. Go ahead and get your fork. Now you may enjoy your ramen noodles. So yeah, guys, that is how you make ramen noodles at home. Thanks for tuning in to this episode of Cooking with James. If this video did in fact help you, make sure you leave a like. If you're looking forward to new Cooking with James videos, leave a like. If you don't like Cooking with James videos, leave a dislike. I will never make them again. But yeah, thanks guys for watching. I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.